Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 16th of September. Getting set to a cruise into a weekend here. Feels so nice out today. The big question is, will it last this weekend? Well, let's see. We'll take a look out the window. We'll start with our sky cam up in Cullman. You know, it's interesting, that shot, you can see into downtown Cullman. Before April 27th, it was all trees. So many trees were taken out by the tornado that day that you can actually see now downtown Cullman. Of course, the church there, that's the Sacred Heart Church. Got some filtered sunshine there. There's the Chehaw sky cam over on the eastern side of the state. Sky mostly cloudy there. Let's go way down south to the Alabama Gulf Coast. That's the Dauphin Island sky cam at the Dauphin Island Sea Lab. Again, generally cloudy there. All right, there's the watch warning map, the water vapor satellite shot, the height contours there at 500 millibars. The big trough that brought the cool air is lifting up into Canada, away from us. A weak zonal flow in its wake, and numbers are looking good. Now, let me say this. Those numbers are actually at 11 o'clock this morning. We grabbed the graphics a little early today. At that point, we had upper 60s and low 70s. Most spots will see a high today in the mid to upper 70s. Just great weather. And look at the lows this morning. Below freezing, sub-freezing values up north, parts of Minnesota, the upper Great Lakes, and much of the country in that really nice, refreshing air. Had some 40s down into North Alabama this morning for the first time in a long time. There's the watch warning map. Those are frost and freeze advisories for parts of northern New England. Another cold night tonight up there. Convective outlook, obviously, with stable, cool continental air in place. Severe weather should not be a problem, at least around here. Rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. Heaviest stuff to the north and west, but the model is starting to look a little more active for next week in terms of rain. The 12Z GFS, as you'll see, so just maybe we'll see some decent rain along the way. Tropical weather. It is really quiet out there. You know, here in mid-September, you'd think we have a lot of stuff on the board. Well, not today. Maria is scooting past Newfoundland and minimal hurricane, and that's about it. This thing is packing sustained winds of 75 miles an hour, and it needs a speeding ticket. That thing is moving at 52 miles per hour. Wow. On the way to the North Atlantic as a post-tropical storm. All right, let's check the 12Z GFS, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening at 500 millibars. Weak zonal flow here, pretty good trough well to the northwest, and down below that should be a dry day. A little warmer tomorrow, highs probably around 80 in most spots, with a partly sunny sky. A little easterly flow down in the surface, and again, that could bring some clouds into East Alabama. You know, the cold air damming type effect, so the cooler values should be to the east, warmer values to the west, but everybody will be comfortable. Sunday, we'll call it partly sunny. Evidence of moisture not that far away. I guess it's not out of the question. A shower might pop up somewhere Sunday afternoon, but we're not going to mention it for now. Low to mid-80s. The NAM is at 81, which has been the better model lately. And there's Monday. The westerlies have retreated north. The heights are coming up, so it should be warmer. And down below that, moisture beginning to ease in here. So we'll bring in the chance of a shower probably by Monday afternoon, scattered showers and maybe a storm with mid-80s. And it's going to stay pretty muggy. Look at Tuesday, a nice moisture axis over us. And that doesn't mean it's going to rain all day, but that means scattered showers and storms. And really the same thing Wednesday of next week. So looks like every day next week we'll have some chance of showers and storms. Go to Thursday of next week. This time the GFS has that upper trough pretty far to the north of us, coming through New England. There's a cold front, as you can see, continental air pushing down from the north, the cold front from near New York City down to Little Rock. But with that trough passing so far north, that front's going to run out of gas. And look at Friday, a week from today, the cold front stalls roughly along Interstate 40, and we stay in pretty moist air. So really, if this is right, every day next week there will be some chance of showers and storms, maybe a little more active toward the end of next week. And the following day, Saturday the 24th, still pretty moist. So I think we could use some rain, not a bad thing. We'll check the end of the forecast cycle. This is the 1st of October. Just love saying that. Feels cool and crisp. pretty strong impulse well to the north. That looks kind of moist. Some type of tropical low down there south of Cuba. Keep in mind that we can't have significant tropical systems well into October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the internationally beloved meteorologist, will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.